Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, November 7th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here are some things that are coming up this week. So, today, 4th and 5th graders, you have your semester exam, 4th grade for writing and 5th grade for science. Do your best. I know you can do it. You've got this. Then tomorrow, 3rd, 4th, and 5th, we'll do your reading semester exam. And then on Wednesday, 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders will do their math semester exam. You're going to do an amazing job. Just remember, use all your strategies and annotate. Great job, scholars. You can do this. Also, on Thursday, this Thursday, the 10th, we are having our holiday car decoration competition from 4:30 to 6. Don't forget to drive through and show us your amazing decorated car. Wonder who the winners are going to be. Also, our perfect attendance for November. Our winner is Logan Lopez. Nice job, Logan, for attending every day in the month of November. You will receive a gingerbread house. Nice job, Logan. Scholars, remember, every day counts. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!